For 40 years, India chased a dream to build a fighter jet engine from scratch. No imports, no licenses, just raw innovation. Today, that dream is starting to take flight. Only 7 countries in the world have developed fighter jets powered by homegrown engines. India just joined that club. The Kaveri engine, developed by DRDO's GTRE, marks a civilizational milestone in Indian defense. From being one of the world's top arms importers, India is now building to export. Kaveri was originally meant for India's light combat aircraft Tejas, but delays, budget overruns, and tech limitations sidelined it for decades. Now, after decades of refinement, it's finally cleared for flight testing. The dry variant produces 49 to 51 kilonewton thrust and is already powering UAV test beds like the Ghatak stealth drone. The afterburner version will go up to 73 to 75 kilonewtons, comparable to France's M88 engines that power the Rafale. After France refused to share Rafale's engine source code, India is now eyeing the Russian Su-57 5th-gen fighter. Russia is reportedly ready to share entire tech and source code, opening doors for joint production like BrahMos. With Kaveri entering production, this partnership could be the perfect match. The Indian Air Force plans to operate 220 Tejas Mk1As. They currently use GE F404 engines, each costing $8 to $10 million. That's expensive and geopolitically risky. Enter the upgraded Kaveri-KDE. Same thrust, 75 kilonewton with afterburner, lower cost, better localization, and designed for India's hot, high-altitude climate. The target? Operational integration by 2035. DRDO isn't stopping. Kaveri 2.0 aims for 90 to 100 kilonewton thrust, perfect for India's next-gen AMCA fighter. This could finally give India an indigenous 5th-gen fighter powered by an indigenous engine. Godrej Aerospace is building a new 3.5-acre jet engine plant near Mumbai. With Tejas, TEDBF, and AMCA in pipeline, India can export without licensing restrictions, build defense alliances through tech diplomacy, and create high-value jobs in R&D, MRO, and manufacturing. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi aims to make India the world's top defense exporter by 2047, Kaveri is no longer just an engine. It's a symbol of independence. Kaveri was once mocked as a failed dream, but in aerospace, the long game matters. With flight testing cleared, thrust benchmarks hit, and variants already in UAVs, India is officially airborne. And when Tejas Mk1A and AMCA finally take off with Indian engines, it won't just be a milestone. It'll be a message. India doesn't just fly jets, it builds them. This is FrontPage by AIM TV. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.